Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to add email to a board on Monday.com. So if you're working on Monday.com and if you need to add email, it can be of anyone, your respective client, your vendor, your lead, anyone. So if you feel like adding email of anyone you're working with on Monday.com, just follow these steps and you'll be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com. And once when you log in, you see that you'll be redirected to this homepage. And on this left side, you can see the list of boards that I'm currently working on. So let's open, any board out of the blue. For example, nope, I don't find this one relevant to what we are doing. Let's go back to the homepage and let's see. Yeah, okay. For example, if this is the board that we're working on and this is a client, for example, let's add client here. Wait a second. Status, I'm going to add a new file here and let's call it people file and name it as client. All right. So I'm doing this just to give you an example. So this is the board of the clients. Here you go. We're doing this work for this client. And for example, now if we need to add any information about this particular client, we need to add their email, for example, then what do we need to do? We need to click here on this, and here we can search if there is an option of email. If we can find it, well and good. If not, then we can add, we can, click on more columns, and here we can write email. Here you go, email team members and clients directly from your board. We can add this to board, and here we go. Here we can write, the email of this particular client for whom we are doing this work. So we can just click here. And once we click on this plus icon, we'll be able to add their email. And then we can also add text, an optional text. For example, if this is the email of the client, and we can write this just to make us remember. And here you go. Now, if we click on this hyperlink, it will redirect us to our mail app that we have on our laptop or PC, and then we can send them an email right away. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.